Let me show you how to link a bank or a card to your Venmo account. If you're trying to add in balance to your Venmo or even transfer balance to other people through Venmo, you need to first of all add in some money through your bank or card. In order to do that, you need to first of all link it. Let me show you the quick process of linking your bank or your debit card to your Venmo account. Let's head over to Venmo. From the homepage of your Venmo account, in order to add in balance, you need to tap on the gear icon that you see on the top right of the screen. If this is your first time adding in a bank or card, you may also see the option called bank or cards right here. If you don't see this, you can easily tap on the settings icon on the top right. From the settings page, you'll see the option called payment methods, which is the third option from the top. Just tap on this option and you'll get a section of adding in a bank or a debit card. So there are three types of accounts that you can add in. Either a bank account, which will have no fees for sending money or online purchases. If you add in a credit card, it's going to charge you 3% fee for sending money. But however, they don't charge for purchases or debit card payments. And lastly, you can also add in a MX Send account, which also does not have any charges. So depending on which type of account or card that you need to add into your Venmo, just tap on one of these options. If you tap on the card option, you're going to need to add in your card number, the security code and the expiry date. If you select the bank account, you'll need to add in your bank account and a few other details of your bank. And by following these simple processes, your bank or your credit card will be easily linked with your Venmo account. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today's video. I'm gonna see you in the next one.